To utilize the productivity view for tracking progress and tasks, start by accessing the website. Once the web page is open, a login prompt will appear, requiring an email and password to proceed. After logging in, a dashboard will be displayed, featuring options such as adding tasks, projects, and teams, as well as browsing templates. The profile name will be visible, along with settings and an activity log. The productivity view is a key feature, allowing users to set daily and weekly goals, review productivity trends, and monitor progress. This view enables users to establish goals, track tasks, and set celebrations and days off, including vacation mode to silence notifications. By using the productivity view, individuals can effectively track their progress, set achievable goals, and stay organized.